So I'm about to go on a 5-night Bahama cruise, and I thought I would share with you everything that I will be wearing. So we're about to leave for the airport, and I'll go ahead and start off with showing you my outfit, my travel outfit for today, and then I will pick back up tomorrow when we are in Orlando for the Embarkation outfit, and then I'll show you my daily and my nighttime for dinner looks throughout the entire cruise. So let's get started. So this is the travel outfit, what I'll be wearing in the airport and on the plane heading down. So I love these two-piece sets from Amazon because they feel like the Air Essentials from Spanx, so they're really nice to be temperature controlling. So I love these for when you're leaving from one temperature to another temperature that has a little bit of a difference. So these are super comfortable as well. This is a newer one that I just picked up. It has a pull-up style pant instead of the draw cord, and then it does have the side pockets, but then I like that this one has a little bit of a seaming detail, so it makes it a little bit dressier than just a regular sweatpant. These are super comfortable, and this top is one that has buttons at the top here, and it has a polo style, no kangaroo pockets or anything in the front. I know there are some that I usually wear that will either be a quarter zip or some that are a crew neck sweatshirt, but these I love. These are my newest ones, and this color is so gorgeous. I like to wear a darker color just because you never know if you're going to get something on you in the airport or on the plane. So I love to wear darker colors and just something that's very comfortable. And then the shoes are these On Clouds. I picked these up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale this year. They're in that fig color. I thought they work really well with these. Today is day one, embarkation day, and for today out of Port Canaveral, I am carrying this belt bag, and then I just have this black tee on, and also these linen pants. They're linen blend pants, and the tee's from Walmart, and the pants are from Old Navy. And then the shoes are just a pair of sandals from Madden NYC, super comfortable, but this is the Embarkation outfit, and then I will show you what we'll be changing into for dinner. So it's day one, the first dining night, and I just put on this Stitch Fix dress. It looked on theme with the Bahama cruise. And then these are the shoes you'll be seeing with all of the dinner outfits, which are just these heels that have some pearl accents on them. And then the handbag for the dining nights is going to be just this little clutch for each night at dinner. And this is just an Amazon clutch with this pebble green leather. It's day two, and we are docked in Celebration Key. So I just have this dress on. It has pockets. Love these over my swimsuits, and then I just have my swimsuit under it. And then these shoes are kind of waterproof, so I like to wear these when on the beach because you can just shake the sand off. And this is the outfit for Celebration Key. Today is day two, and we just left Celebration Key, and tonight is elegant night, and this is as formal as I get. So this is the dress from Amazon. It's from Grace Karen. It has a little lace at the top, some ruching at the stomach so I can hide all of the cruise food that I've eaten. And then these are the shoes you'll be seeing every day for dining room, and it's just these pearl sandals, and then the clutch for every night at dinner. And then for the jewelry, I just have this Kendra Scott bracelet on, and then my Julia Jewelry replica rings. And then for earrings, I have these pearl earrings from the Otter Spirit, and that's the look for today. No necklace because I had the lace at the top of the dress. Today's day three, and we are in Nassau, and we did a short excursion for the 10 best of Nassau, and then also went to the straw market. And this is what I decided to wear. It's a dress from Travis Matthew, and I picked it up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And what's great about it is it has the shorts underneath it, and it does have two pockets so that you can put anything that you want. I kept sliding my phone in there today, but it was really nice and cool even though it was hot outside. And then I'm wearing this bracelet that I picked up from the straw market, really cute in this pink, the designer look-alike. No other jewelry today, I just wanted to keep it simple. And then I carried my belt bag today so I could keep it close to me. And then the shoes for today are my On Clouds because I didn't know how much walking we were going to be doing. And so this is the outfit for today in Nassau. So this is day three. We were in Nassau today, and this is the outfit for dinner tonight. It's just a dress that I picked up from Loft a few years back. And then this bracelet, that's a charm bracelet from Gona Jewelry. It has nautical themes on it. My Julia Jewelry replica rings, and then just an Amazon ring. And then for earrings, I just have these gold hoops from Quince. And then the shoes are the pearl heels from all of the dinner looks. And then I'll be taking the clutch that you've been seeing as well. So this is the look for dinner on night three. Today's day four, and we were at Half Moon Cay, and I did not film what I was wearing there. I just had a cover up over my swimsuit. And then tonight for dinner, I have this Vince Camuto dress on. It has this little waistband that you can blouse the top up, and I picked this up a couple years ago, but it does have side pockets. And For the shoes, it's just the pearl shoes you've been seeing for the dining room each night. And then for the jewelry, I have these pearl earrings on from the Otter Spirit, and then this matching pearl bracelet that's from the Otter Spirit as well, and then a Kendra Scott necklace. And that is what I'll be wearing today for dinner. This is the last day of the cruise, and it's sea day, so we're heading to brunch. But the outfit I'm wearing today for around the ship is this tee from Old Navy, just a graphic tee, and these are shorts from White House Black Market. I love these shorts, you guys, perfect inseam length. And then my On Cloud shoes, and that's it basically for all day here at sea. And then I will be back with the last night's dining option. This is the last night, and for the dining room, I just decided to wear this shein dress. It's pop of orange color and just the pearl shoes that you've been seeing for all the looks, and no jewelry tonight because it's already packed up. So this is the look for the last night in the dining room.